peaceful night. Isn't this the healing that the heart longs for from the wheel of life, which turns us around without us realizing what it wants from us? A peaceful night. It could be the ship of salvation that transports us to the shores of the self, where the roses of awareness and deep contemplation bloom. On the docks of this quiet night, you and I can rise to stand tall, raising our heads with the pride of those confident of their coming glory. We've grown tired of the humiliation with which that cell has flogged us. A cell, they claim, is the sole